How to toggle the graph summary view on or off in Windows 10 Task Manager. Wish your Windows 10 Task Manager was less visually overwhelming? This video shows you how to use the graph summary view for a cleaner look. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding graph summary view. The Task Manager's graph view is essential for monitoring your system. One useful feature is the graph summary view, which shrinks performance graphs into a cleaner, space-saving layout. It's designed to make information monitoring easier, whether you're fixing a system issue, checking hardware load, or just keeping your PC running smoothly. This compact view is especially helpful when you have limited screen space. How to toggle graph summary view on or off. Toggling the graph summary view is simple. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Next, navigate to the Performance tab at the top. This tab shows real-time system metrics like CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU usage. To enable or disable the graph summary view, simply right-click anywhere in the left pane where resources are listed, and then click Graph Summary View from the context menu. Enabling it collapses detailed panels into a compact graph-only layout, while disabling it returns to the full, detailed view. Availability and behavior of graph summary view. The graph summary view was introduced in Windows 10 version 1903 and later. If you're on an older version, you'll need to update Windows to access it. You can check your version in Settings, System, About, or by typing WinVer in the Run dialog. This feature is located in the Task Manager's Performance tab and works with all major graphs. Importantly, this is a runtime toggle. It's user-specific, not controlled by registry or group policy, and affects all resources globally within the Performance tab. It's also different from the Summary view in the Processes tab. Troubleshooting common graph summary view issues. If you can't find the option, ensure you're right-clicking the left pane of the Performance tab. The view doesn't persist after a reboot. It's normal behavior for it to reset. This feature cannot be scripted, as it's a GUI-only option without exposed API or registry hooks. If the feature is missing entirely, double-check your Windows 10 version, as it's only available from version 1903 onwards. The graph summary view offers a clean, simple way to track system performance, especially when juggling tasks or working with limited screen space. It's a useful tool for both everyday users and IT pros, requiring no setup or admin access. It's a smart and simple option for a less cluttered view of resource usage. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to toggle the graph summary view on or off in Windows 10 Task Manager, linked in the description below.